I'm gonna wreck it! I can fix it!
Closing time, last game, everyone out.
My name's Wreck-It Ralph. 30 years I've been doing this. It starts to feel hard to love your job when no one else seems to like you for doing it. Sure must be nice being the good guy.
Nice share, Ralph. As fellow bad guys, we've all felt what you're feeling.
I'm Zangief, I'm bad guy.
Hi, Zangief.
Ralph, you are bad guy. But this does not mean you're bad guy.
Zombie, bad guy.
Hi, Zombie.
Hi, Zombie. Zangief saying labels not make you happy. Good, bad. You must love you.
I don't want to be the bad guy anymore.
Ralph abandoned his game.
Where's the wrecking guy?
Welcome to Game Central Station. Trains for all game destinations now boarding.
Everything changes now.
Where's Ralph?
Stand by, my Cuberdese is a little rusty. Ralph's gone to hero's duty?
Get out of this game, buddy.
Ralph, you're game jumping?
What's your name?
Wreck-It Ralph.
Why are your hands so freakishly big?
I don't know. Why are you so freakishly annoying?
All right, ladies, the kitten whispers and tickle fights stop now.
When did video games become so violent and scary?
Are you a hobo?
Listen, I try to be nice.
Nice.
You're mimicking
You're
me.
mimicking me.
That is rude, and this conversation is
And
on.
this conversation is